Hi, I'm here with Jeff Moses, National Director on the SAP Business ByDesign launch team. Today we're going to cover the basics of SAP Business ByDesign and the value it's bringing to its customers. Jeff, what is SAP Business ByDesign?
So SAP Business ByDesign is a completely new solution from SAP from the ground floor up. It allows an SME buyer to get everything they need to run their business from efficiency to effectiveness. And what I mean by that is efficiency in terms of running their business, financials, operational aspects such as supply chain, projects, HR, but as well as the embedded analytics to give them insight to how their business is running. All of this is delivered at a very low monthly fee from a software as a service perspective and with a fixed fee implementation bid.
So can you comment a little more on the product and its ease of use?
Right. The product's ease of use is unprecedented in the ERP space. We have taken 30 years of SAP's knowledge of how to run businesses and boiled those down into predefined business processes that our users simply integrate to and implement. And it's truly a world-changing experience for the SME buyer.
So could you talk a little bit more about its ease of deployment?
Deployment for this ERP suite is groundbreaking. We've not only boiled down the business processes that users need to run their business, but we've boiled down how you implement these. So we can get a full suite implemented at a client site in 6 to 10 weeks. Truly a groundbreaking performance from an implementation perspective. What's really groundbreaking, though, is how we take away the onus of running these solutions going forward for our clients. And the IT expense and the IT onus of running the solutions is brought back on SAP.
So could you comment on its affordability?
Sure. The affordability of SAP ByDesign is again groundbreaking. We're providing a full suite ERP solution that is maintained by SAP back at our offices in Waldorf at a price of $149 a month per user for everything from financials to CRM, supply chain, projects, HR, and analytics. This is what the SME buyer has wanted for a long time but hasn't been able to afford. They now can.
Well, that's great. Could you talk a little bit about the current state of the rollout?
Sure. Currently, we're live in 6 countries around the globe: Germany, France, England, the United States, China, and India. Obviously, we're going to be rolling out to future countries as we move forward with the product, but these are our flagship countries we're going to market with today.
So if you're live in 6 countries, how many customers do you have?
That's a great question and one that we get asked a lot. Currently, we have over 40 live customers around the globe, and we have 80 clients signed up. And so we are aggressively moving forward with these charter clients and signing up new ones as we go through the remainder of 2009.
What is the release schedule and what will it bring to the market?
So the release schedule is that in July of 2009 of this year, we're going to release 2.0, which is going to take us further down the road of having a clear leadership position in the SaaS ERP landscape. We're going to target professional services and really close out the functionality that we need to be effective in that marketplace, as well as advance our leadership in manufacturing and distribution.
Now, what about the roadmap?
The roadmap is currently under development, and we're going to release a formal statement later this year or early next year that defines further the functionality and the geographies that will be supported ramping into 2010.
So what types of companies are currently a fit for Business ByDesign?
We have an interesting mix of clients, one that may not be the traditional SAP mix of clients. We have about 45% of our clients right now are professional services clients. We have about 45% that are manufacturing clients and about 10% that are distribution clients.
Does 2.0 bring new functionality natively or through partnership?
Absolutely. As I previously stated, we're really advancing our functionality natively within the application through professional services companies, manufacturing and distribution companies, where we're truly able to run companies' business from end to end. Additionally, we're bringing to market with 2.0 major partnerships with companies like Crossgate, Paymetric, Hybris, as well as others who are going to provide us advanced features within the e-commerce world, mobile world, and credit card processing.
Now, can you tell me how SAP Business ByDesign can help SME companies?
It's a great question, and it's why we're in business. So the SME buyer has all the same issues that a large enterprise organization has. They need visibility to their operations. They need clarity to their business. The problem is that in the past, there hasn't been a solution that offers them the integration that's required to get those answers, and they haven't been able to afford the cost of the solutions that do deliver those answers. And so what Business ByDesign does is affords the SME buyer the capability to get into the solution that will give him clarity of operations at a fraction of the cost of what he's had to buy in the past.
So how is that accomplished?
So what we've done is taken the knowledge of working with our clients over the last 30 years, and we've taken the best practices and the best business processes that we've developed there and applied them to Business by Design. So instead of our Business by Design clients having to create business processes, integrating to other applications, we simply deploy these pre-configured business processes, which allows our clients a much greater ability to get into the solution, get it up and running quickly at a cost that is affordable to them.
So why do clients purchase SAP Business by Design?
The answer to this question is not the same as our LE brethren. The SME buyer buys and partners with SAP for Business by Design for three main reasons. The first is integration. They need the visibility to operations and the clarity that an integrated ERP suite will give them to be competitive on a global scale. Secondly, they've never been able to afford that level of transparency and clarity. So the cost of Business by Design is the second main reason that we find clients wanting to partner with us. And lastly is the SAP brand and the SAP ecosystem. Because we've developed these business processes out of the box and we have this depth of knowledge with all these great companies around the world, the ecosystem that's brought to bear for these small and medium enterprises is something they have not had access to in the past. And it's really a compelling feature or part of the partnership that the SME buyer takes into account when he decides to partner with SAP.
So how do you see SAP Business by Design affecting the SaaS marketplace?
Great question, and this is going to be a real interesting one to watch over the next few years. Suite vendors like SAP Business by Design are going to put tremendous pressure on piece part solutions like Salesforce.com because buyers of SaaS solutions are asking for more than a sales funnel on the web. They're demanding more value for their dollar spend. They also realize that the SaaS model is very effective for them, so they want to apply it to other parts of their business, financials, supply chain, projects, etc. And so suite solutions like Business by Design are going to put tremendous pressure in the marketplace, but are also going to see broad acceptance because of the value that they're going to give to their customers.
Well, that sounds great, Jeff. Thanks for taking the time today to talk with us about SAP Business by Design.
Thanks, Sean. It was great to be here.
And thank you for watching. If you want to learn more, check out the Business by Design YouTube page for more.